Hi everyone, in today's video I take you to Cantley, to Reedham, to the Ferry, the Riverside area. So join me on the drive to there and we'll have a look and see what else we can find along the way. Just a quick stop in Acle to get some fuel. I think Acle's very pretty, especially with the dramatic clouds in the background. It's certainly a beautiful sunny day today. On the right is Cantley Station. So this is British Sugar beside the River Yare in Cantley, giving off the most beautiful reflections in the river today. Hardley Mill. The peregrine falcons are out. There's this one here on the railings, and then the other one is up on the nesting shelf, having a little preen, surveying her territory. So I've just left Cantley and I'm now heading towards Reedham. There's the most dramatic sky today. This is Reedham Riverside. Look at that sky and the reflections, the orange reflection of the sky on the river. Absolutely beautiful. For anybody watching who doesn't know, that is Reedham Swing Bridge. Now going to leave the riverside area and head down to the ferry. Now we've got a rather dramatic pink to the sky. So here we are at the ferry, Timed it just right to see it crossing. Time to leave and head back to home. You spotted some deer in the left-hand field, so I'm going to pull in and see if I can film them without spooking them and them running away from me. They were a lovely find, so just wait for the traffic to clear and then we can pull out and be off again. The sky is just ever changing. It's gone from pink to yellow. It's beautiful. Back in Acle. So I think this would be a good time to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you've managed to get this far in the video and are still watching and haven't already subscribed to me, perhaps you'd like to do so. Their Christmas tree is looking very pretty. I hope you've all had a good week. Thank you to everybody who messages me and who leaves comments on my videos. It's very much appreciated. Look after yourselves, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye for now.